It's Christmas Day. Happy Christmas. Today is 25th. Okay, guys, let's cook. Guys, I'm not happy with this video. Like, I've tried all my possible best to know what is wrong with this video, but I can't figure it out. The video that I use all my mind to do, I don't know what happened and it's shaking. Like, I used because of this to cut a lot of things to know if it will stop, but it didn't stop. But I have to post like this because I suffered to make this video. This is me making our Christmas food. This is me making fried rice for the day. Yeah, I'm making fried rice. I've cut everything. I'm just, because of anger with this video, I have to post these few clips from what I recorded. I recorded 11 minutes of video, but I'm posting just 3 minutes and 29 seconds of it because of this shaking that is shaking. I don't know what happened, but let's just forget that and face what we are doing. Yeah, this is me making fried rice for the Christmas. If you are around my home, come to my house and eat. The door is open for you. Happy Christmas to you all. Hope you have a wonderful celebration. Yeah. Like, we made it to this day and I'm happy and glad about it. When there's life, there's no hope. Whatever you have in your house, manage it and eat it like that. Nobody gonna know. Yeah, nobody gonna know. Stomach know the talk within shop. Yeah. So guys, I'm making fried rice. We also made catfish pepper soup and white rice, and this mean I'm making fried rice for those that want to eat fried rice. Those that want to eat catfish, we face that side. For me, this is what I want to eat. Like, I've been craving this fried rice for a very long time, but I'm just skipping it for this day, and finally I made it. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you have a wonderful celebration, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you guys for tuning on my page from January to now. Thank you guys. I so much appreciate. Thank you. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
So join us, dear friends, in this vibrant space. Sammy's lifestyle, when memories embrace. Through pixels and pixels, our journey unfolds. A song of togetherness, forever retold. A lifetime series unfolds in sunlit rooms. From family tales to daily vlogs, we share our days. With mukbang feasts and playful pranks in countless ways. Sammy's lifestyle, a symphony of joy, where love and laughter dance no rules.